Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Kind of a whirlwind of a day again, a little chaotic, and I don't recall everything I did, so this is kind of a walkthrough myself of kind of the trading session this morning. I struggled a little bit with the trend indicators, so I just was a little confused by looking at them and determining price action. I think they kind of overpowered my bias. But here, certainly looking at a new setup on the within the first 5 minute opening range, but I did not take it. Anyway, we took out previous day low. So this point, I'm looking potentially to go long. That's my immediate thought when we take out a level like that is, well, maybe it's going to reverse, which, we kind of got here. And there was a BPR that I don't know if it was perfect, but it certainly existed. And I was just real hesitant here. You can see I missed the first entry. It was a valid entry, but the trend was bearish. The second entry was kind of mixed. The 50 was bullish. The 15-minute trend was bearish. And then we got a third entry, and I'm like, oh, man, we're going to take out this 930 high. And so that's really what my thought process was on this particular trade right here. And again, pretty timid, but nonetheless, I was going to, kind of go for it on this one. So I had a buy stop entry just kind of resting there, but kind of backed out. Anyway, the reset here, we actually had a full-on fair value gap continuation play on the 1 minute. And that's really what triggered my entry here. It wasn't the indicator. So you can see here, I took 15 points right away. 0930 high got taken. There was another buy side level I had marked up above price. And I just wasn't real convinced it was going to go all the way up there. So as you can see here, we're kind of still within the first 5 minute opening range, that pink box to the left. And I was like, man, what is it going to, I was just kind of like in between of really what I wanted to do. I probably should never even have taken that short, even though it was kind of break even. And then I was like, oh, well, we're above the 21 EMA. Let's go long. We're going to go up to buy side. And that's what this trade was. It started to work. And I was like, oh, I only took 15 points last time. I can probably hold off and wait for more on this one. And unfortunately, it just decided to reverse and took me out for full loss on this one. And I gave it a minute here. I was thinking about contemplating on just exiting, but I was like, oh, you know what? Strong draw on liquidity buy side. Nope. Took me out. So here was the best trade of the day. This was after 10 a.m. You can see there, now the trend is bearish and we had price move push up to the 21 EMA. I marked up my thoughts there. I thought it was going to just go up even more, but it didn't. And it's like, you know what? We got volume, we got price movement, selling price movement. And I was like, there's that old BPR just waiting to get fully inversed, and hopped into this one. This was a really good trade. I had 50 points as a target. No way I was going to wait for that one. I just took my profits, and that one there put me up like 600 on the day.